Maker fun rhyme. This here's a blubber schmuck. Glue got sloppy on me, Big D. Come on. Yeah, I've been there, Max, for sure, by golly. Kind of casein smear let down. Come on. Yeah, 10-4 to the hobby store there, Big D. Yeah, I'll meet you at the front door, good buddy.
Whether you're painting model cars, armor, big rigs, t-shirts, or even people, Gallery has the right products for you. Don't forget to use code PAPPYTinkers at checkout for 10% off.
Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. And here we are with a special What Did You Get Wednesday. Because it's not just a What Did You Get, it's a Who Did You Meet. So when I was up in Ohio a little bit ago, I got to meet Dustin from Lamb Chop Builds. I'm going to have a link over here for you. He gave me a couple shop cards, and we went and took a little tour of one of the local hobby shops up there called The Hobby Shop. And if you want to see see that video, I'll have a link somewhere around up in here for it, for both Dustin's channel and for the video of what this great little hobby shop has. So let's take a look at and see that video of me and Dustin getting to meet. I'm Pappy Tinkers with Dustin from Lamb Chop Builds. How's everyone doing today? We met up at the hobby shop up here in Dayton, Ohio, and this place has all kinds of great stuff. They do everything from RC to boats, military. This place is huge. I mean, it goes from all the way over in that corner all the way over there. Like 60 feet of paint. And me in the small town down in Florida, I'm not used to all that stuff. I got dizzy looking at all the paint. He had to rescue me.
If you're into RC, they do gas, they rebuild nitro engines, different things like that. So we'll one-stop shop for about everything hobby related.
It's literally got everything, and the prices are pretty good too. Yeah. Lance, I know you're always asking me to show what's in the hobby shop. Well, this time Dustin did it, so go visit him on Lamb Chop Builds, and you're going to see everything that this place has. Well, not everything, because there ain't enough film for it.
Yeah.
All right, we've gone over a minute now, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time. Happy modeling.
Happy Tinkers and
Lamb Chop Builds.
See you guys.
See ya.
Now you know, two model makers and video creators can't go into a hobby shop without getting a couple things. And I believe Dustin shows you what he got in his video. What I got was this 1976 Vega station wagon dragster. I had built a Vega dragster as a teenager. All I remember was it black, and I think it had flames on the box. I want to say Vega Twister or Twisted Vega or something like that. Maybe I'll try to look up and see if I can find some old pictures of it. But I wanted to build another one, so I got this one, and we'll see what we can do with this a little bit later this year. And I also got something else there that I thought was pretty interesting. And this was a different shade of the Tamiya weathering pastels. Now this isn't typically something that we would use on cars, and I'm not planning to use it on the cars either, even unless it just happens to come out that way. But you guys have seen that I paint some of these little figures and set alongside the cars sometimes, but maybe these pastels will help with getting some of those subtle shades down there. What the heck, it was worth a try, right? What's the worst that can go wrong? So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little What Did You Get Wednesday, and stay tuned for the next one. Until then, We'll see you next time on Pappy Tinkers.
Maker fun rhyme, this here's a blubber schmuck. Glue got sloppy on me, Big D, come on. Yeah, I've been there, Max, for sure, by golly. Kind of casein smear let down, come on. Yeah, 10-4 to the hobby store there, Big D. Yeah, I'll meet you at the front door, good buddy. Percy takes a drive. Looks like we're buying a car toy. It was the afternoon and opportune to head to the hobby shop.